Going around the corner.
Make sure your camera doesn't fall. Okay, stop, this is scary.
Welcome back, my beautiful people. Since my last video, I've been writing notes and taking notes of all the comments that I've been receiving in DMs. I've gotten a new battery for the car and the car starts off perfect. I took it out for a test run and it wanted to die, so it wasn't holding charge. So now we're gonna change the alternator. That took like literally 3 minutes. I wonder why. Maybe because I've been doing it for like every single month. Oh, see? As soon as I give it gas. Oh shoot, I think I found the issue. There's some open wires right there. It's so heavy. I can't even squat with this. I woke up today and I saw my YouTube reach 10,000 subscribers. Like, I can't believe that. I cannot believe that. I'm speechless right now. Starting off the year with 10,000 subscribers. We're gonna post videos non-stop. I appreciate every single one of you guys for making this possible, for being a part of this family. I'm really thankful and grateful for all of you guys. Let's hope for the best for this year for me and for you guys as well. You guys saw the last clip. I think I found the solution for my car, so hopefully we can get this car running. I did my little research on what those wires could be. I think they're the O2 sensor, and that's connected to the alternator, which could be why the car isn't really holding charge. Let's just pray right now, God, please don't let this car drop on me. Wow, look at the wires. This is not good. You know what, I'm just gonna be halfway. Can I see the wires? And then over here, that's the exhaust, as you guys can see. And so hopefully that is the issue. Fine, we're only going around the corner.
Make sure your camera doesn't fall.
Okay, so far, once again, the battery light did not pop off.
Thank you for a test drive. Okay, stop, this is scary.
I'm going back home now. Guys, it just did that thing again. Fail number 3 again. My car did not come with fog lights, so I had to install fog lights separate, and now I'm gonna like completely cut it out because first of all, fog lights are gone in my car because ever since I was low, you know, the bouncing and stuff like that, I guess it messed up with the wires, so the power doesn't run. I guess it's open, so I'm assuming maybe because of that open wire, the car is dying and stuff like that. So needless to say, I'm gonna take it out, see if the battery light still cuts on. Beautiful, lovely battery light. Yep. It's time to hit up a mechanic because I've done everything that I can and I don't want to keep guessing on what it is because it is really frustrating. This whole month, beginning of the month, I've been trying and attempting to fix my car and fail. So all the videos that I've been trying to make thinking it would work out, trash. Thankfully it wasn't anything big because I thought it was like over. I thought my car was sold, junked. But no, we had Dante's friend come over and he figured out the issue. I'm a little embarrassed on the issue, but I'd rather it be something small than something big. And you know, you guys want to know the issue?
It works now, that's all that matters.
It was one of the fuses. I believe it was like number 18 or something like that. It was one of the fuses underneath my dash. And the reason why I didn't check that again was because I checked it before and I changed also the fuses, so I didn't find a need to check it again. The fuse that Dante's friend found, JP, was fried and damaged, and I'm like, what? We've never seen that before. Now the car is running, no battery light, no nothing, so here we go, guys. We're back on the road. So today we're going to be cleaning my car because it's been, you know, sitting. The car is really dull right now, so maybe a wash. I got compound and polish from AutoZone. It can be brand new and shiny, so I'm super excited for that because it's really dull right now. Lastly, what do we see here, guys?
I don't know.
L, a big mistake. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person you can see it here. That's an L. That's a big mistake right there. So what happened was...
What was the reason?
It was dumped in the rear, so I wanted it to be even, so I had to raise it a couple washers. I don't know how many washers I did. When I lowered it, the quarter panel landed on the wheel, so it buckled right here, as you can see. So L, Steph, When you're lowering a car, make sure your wheels are on tight and don't commit the same mistake as I did. We definitely need a flip ASAP. Look at that. Bald. I completely forgot how to use one of these, and I'm really nervous. What are you doing here? My hands are numbed and they're like vibrating. I gotta cut more here. So as you can see, it got dark, so I'm gonna have to show you guys tomorrow the cut. We're gonna have to do the wash tomorrow because the mosquitoes are getting us. This is the first time ever since I first got the car that I'm removing this bandana. You know, this bandana once used to be the Puerto Rican flag. You know, gotta always represent. It's so faded, so sad to see it go. Let me see it. Let me take a good look at it without the bandana. That's crazy. Take a good look at this car. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's so dull, like really dull. So hopefully what I got makes it really shiny. Dry the car first before we apply the compound and the polish. This side is pretty much dry, so I think I'm gonna start off with this side. We're gonna be using the applicator pads, and these are basically going to absorb the compound more. For the compound, it's Color and Clarity Restorer. It says it's the ultimate product for removing paint defects, oxidation, scratches, and water spots and blemishes. I feel like this car has a lot of blemishes, so hopefully it fixes that. We'll see at the end. These are obviously not gonna go away. These are what, I guess it's rust, yeah. Maybe when I wrap it, you know, soon, I'll sand it and then fix that up, but right now we just want shine for the meantime, you know. Yeah, this dryness, this dullness, this bitterness, it's gonna go away. Trust the product. McGuire's, if you want to like sponsor me, reach out to me and thank me for this video, I'm here.
I would just pour it all over. You're gonna need the whole bottle for the hood.
This was like $20. Looks like we poured some oil on the car, some lotion. To do all the cars of the driveway now. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's looking good so far, and we just got started. If you're gonna try this at home, I recommend getting a hand tool because my hands are tired. I mean, it could be because I'm not the strongest one. You gotta go in circular motions and you gotta apply a lot of pressure for it to go away. Whew, I take back what I said earlier about doing the whole driveway. I might not even do the whole car now. I might just do the spots where it looks dull. Quick tip for you guys, if you're gonna try it at home, I made a mistake. I'm fixing it right now. When you're applying the compound, as soon as you applied like a little small section, go ahead and dry it. Keep going along the way little by little. Compound, dry, so it could blend more. The mistake I did was I added compound everywhere, and then I went from the start to dry it, and you could see streaks. The best way to blend it would be applying it, and as soon as you apply it, dry it. Polish time. Is my hair crazy? I feel like my right arm It's bigger than my left arm. I think we're gonna call it a day. I want to do the rest of the car, but we're gonna have to buy the hand tools because my arms, after doing this little section. We finished the hood. The hood looks so much better. I mean, I mainly wanted to do this because of the hood. The hood was the hood was the main thing that was dull, and you know, it's the first thing you see when the car comes towards you. So that's out the way. That's gonna conclude our video for today. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and once again, thank you for 10,000 subscribers. We're actually right now at 12,000, about to be 13,000 subscribers. Like, you guys are insane, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now that my car is actually outside, I got more videos coming for you guys, so make sure you put the post notifications on and you guys don't miss out. I got like 2 different series that I want to start for this channel. You guys are going to enjoy it as well. So make sure you guys subscribe, put the post notifications on for my next YouTube video. Stay safe and blessed. Peace. Trust the product.
No, that looked too NPC.
Trust the product.
You gotta do it from here. Again.
Trust the product.